Hey MTV, this is Sarah, and welcome to my cribs. Come on in. As you can see, we got a good sky high roof here. Soundproof barrier. No wind, so it's a lot warmer in here. We are also going to be making more additions to it. We're going to, where is it? Oh, right there. Tear down this wall. So that we can make like another little tunnel thing. And then we're going to put like the sticks in here so our bums don't get too wet and cold. Oh, and then let me show you how big this one is. Almost to the other building that's across from us, so yay. All right, this is my tour, and yeah, thank you for visiting my cribs. MTV out.